Okay, so we'll look on some texturing previously in tutorials, and some of them may be a little bit confused with normals and other stuff. But inside the Plan Factory, they're producing their own system of the making materials or apply materials with a more intuitive and easy way to do. So let's look on them. First, we'll go to create one trunk segment. Okay, and let's take this trunk segment and connect it to our root. Right here, we have it preview. Okay, let's just a little bit increase so we can have it access to all parameters so we can see very well. So right here is a trunk. If we look on materials tab, you'll notice we have a segment body. This is what we can modify it. We also have it cups and also have it some hidden ones like separate UV channels for detail layer, segment body displacement, and also cup displacement, secondary cup. So this is all different materials. Notice our blade disabled because we don't have any enabled blades, but otherwise they will be showing here. Easiest way to apply material is go select one, open, go inside the library, select materials, and you can see right here our material is applied. However, it's a little bit more to this. If we go over material, you notice right here we have alternative materials, so we can add additional new. So if we press, we have it now two materials. Currently they're both same. If I'm going to one and, for example, replace one with another material, let's go with a green example, you'll notice that here we don't have it any change because we don't alternative, we have just one trunk. If we take to the trunk and apply example branches, right here, select the branches. This is our branches applied. If we go to materials of the branches, and instead we're going first material, we'll go, let's apply trunk what we have it. We add a second material and we'll add one green one. You'll notice right here how they alterate now. So they selecting randomly different materials, which is actually get very useful. If we're going outside and, for example, inside the view, I want the change on materials on my plant with altitude, for example, more moist inside the low on ocean level, and when I go up, my plants need to be a little bit dry, different color. I can go inside parameters, and right here you can see distribution random. Click on distribution and set connect parameter. So this way I can actually open, okay, let's preview our materials, and I can have it access to the segment body, how it will distribute it. So I can connect to different output number to my segment body. So I can go inside as example, going to fractal, and we'll just take any simple fractal, and you see right here number as a body, and we can go and just connect to the simple fractal, for example, for altitude. Okay. Again, it's hidden. When I uncheck, you notice it's hide. When we enable, it's showing. So it's kind of nice about this. And right here, for example, this distribution of this color on the different, it will depend on a trunk. Base it right now on a simple our fractal, which is based on position. Of course, we can modify this, and some parameters we can also publish. We can make them publicly and available outside the Plan Factory, so the other function editors inside, for example, view can connect to those parameters and control. Okay, so let's go ahead. Right now, I'm just going to remove that position. We don't need any more, so it does not connect it to anything. And we'll look a little bit closer more on the trunk. Okay, we have our parameters, and we have two parameters. You can see we can preview them. If you don't need it, just select one and click delete. So it will remove the second material. You can add more than 1, 2, 3. You can add many parameters and just rotate between them. This does help when you want to randomize and creating unique texturing for the plants when you work with them. Same things, you notice it's applied to the cups, will apply to the plant blades and other elements. So one other things to mention, you can also do exactly the same what we did with the material editor inside here, so we can also alternate there. However, this way it's work more natively. You can integrate it inside your flow chart, as you see when we was using trunk, so you don't need to go back and forth between function editor or a node editor inside the plan factor. So it's work very well here, and it's kind of nicely accessible to you.